Doctor, doctor, give me the news. I got a Sprinter van that's blowing a fuse.
Hey, what's up guys? Sprinter Doctor here. Hey, I have a customer here with the 110 volt outlet not working reliably. So we're going to access that DC AC voltage converter, check the voltage supply to it, see if we can see what's going on with it. All right, let's get started. You can see we're plugged up, but it is not working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cup holder off to get behind there to check the voltage supplies and grounds to the voltage converter. Okay, here's the .110 voltage converter. We check voltage and ground on that. See what we got. All right, as you can see, the voltage converter has these little retaining tabs on it. Right there. All right, I took my pocket screwdriver and just popped it out of that bracket. And as soon as I popped it out of that bracket, it started working. So, don't know if we have a loose connection or a loose pin. Let's see what we find. I'm gonna try to just back probe the electrical plug to check voltages so I can better determine what the voltage is when the circuit is loaded. So let's see what we find. Okay, I got it popped out of its bracket. Here's our plug. So you've got the red with the yellow stripe, that's the voltage supply, and the other two are voltage supplies, the black two, and then the brown one is the ground. All three of the voltage supply wires, according to the diagram, are circuit 15, which means on with the key on. To do my testing, I'm going to use my trusty Fluke multimeter, my test leads, which are Mercedes special tool, and a back probe kit from Matco Tools, MDBP 23500. That's good. That's interesting. We've got 13 on that one. Let's go to our other circuit 15 wire. Back to our main. That big red wire. 12.84. Okay. Can see it's still working. Interesting. So I think I found my problem. All I did was tug on that connector a little bit. I didn't even press the release on that plug, and it just pulled right out of the socket. So I feel like that was probably just barely connected and was intermittently not working. So that's it. The cup holder just lays down on there, and you just snap it back on. You're good to go. It's working.